Welcome back to my little garden. Would you believe that everyday ingredients can help rose cuttings root faster and healthier than usual? If you haven't heard of this before, don't take your eyes off the video because the results might surprise you. Please let me know which country you're watching from in the comments. Let's get acquainted and share our passion for gardening. And this is how we do it. The first main ingredient is rice. When rice is soaked in water, it releases a small amount of starch, B vitamins, and trace minerals. These substances help create a stable, moist environment, supporting rapid cell recovery at the cut site, and stimulating the formation of new roots. Put 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass. Next, peel and finely chop 1 clove of garlic, then add it to the cup of rice. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound with mild antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps to prevent branch rot and protect the cut during the rooting stage. Next, pour 300 milliliters of clean water into the cup. Stir well to dissolve the nutrients in the water. Let the mixture rest for about 60 minutes. The next step is preparing the cuttings, a crucial step that determines their ability to root. Choose a healthy rose stem, not too young and not too old, about 12 to 20 centimeters long. The branch should have 2 to 3 distinct leaf nodes. This is where new root shoots will begin to form. Remove all the lower leaves, keeping only 1 to 2 leaves at the top. To reduce water loss and help the branches focus on nourishing the roots. Using a clean, very sharp knife or scissors, cut at a 45-degree angle just below a leaf node. This increases the surface area and helps the branch absorb water better. After cutting the branch, use a thin layer of beeswax to seal the cut at the top of the cutting. This wax coating helps minimize moisture loss, preventing bacteria and fungi from entering through the cutting head, while keeping the internal tissues stable and healthy. Therefore, the cuttings do not lose vitality and can concentrate all their energy on the process of forming new roots. After soaking, use a sieve or clean cloth to filter out all the sediment, keeping only the clear liquid. This filtration process helps to make the solution cleaner, reduces bacteria and prevents clogging from debris. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pure honey to the solution. Honey contains natural enzymes, easily absorbed sugars, and mild antibacterial compounds. It helps protect the cut while providing initial energy for root tissue formation. Stir well until the honey is completely dissolved in the solution. Finally, soak the cuttings in this mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the cuttings are ready, it's time to plant them in the soil. First, prepare a loose, well-draining growing medium to help young roots develop easily and prevent waterlogging. Add the appropriate amount of growing medium to the seedling part. Make sure there are drainage holes at the bottom of the part to prevent water from accumulating. Using chopsticks or a small stick, create a small hole in the center of the substrate to insert the cutting without damaging the cut. Gently place the cutting into the hole, then fill in the soil around it and press lightly to secure the cutting. Water just enough to keep the soil moist. Avoid overwatering, which can cause the soil to become waterlogged. Use a large, clear plastic cup with pre-drilled drainage holes. Place the cup upside down over the cutting in the part to create a stable and moist environment for the cutting. This method helps retain moisture in the air around the branch, reducing water loss through transpiration from the leaves. At the same time, the transparent plastic layer still allows diffused light to pass through. This helps the branches maintain a moderate level of photosynthesis without experiencing thermal shock. Place the part in a cool, well-ventilated area with diffused light, and avoid direct sunlight during the initial stage. Over the next few days, monitor the moisture level of the growing medium. After some time of care and waiting, you will see condensation inside the plastic cup. This indicates that the humidity has stabilized and is suitable for cuttings to grow. When the cup is gently opened, new shoots begin to emerge, indicating that the branch has recovered and rooting is underway. Gently lift the cutting, and you will see many white, soft, and healthy roots growing from the cut. This is the moment that confirms the method has been successful. From very simple ingredients, a new life has begun. This method is not only effective for roses, but also suitable for bougainvillea, hibiscus, climbing flowers, and many other ornamental plants. Once the roots have developed and become stable, you can transfer the plant to a larger part. Use a loose, organic rich, and well-draining growing medium to allow the plant to continue growing vigorously. Gardening doesn't need to be complicated. Just understand the plants and be a little patient. You will see that life can begin with very simple things. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. May your garden always be lush and full of flowers.